What up, everybody, and welcome to Outback with Chaz. Today I'll be preparing some country style ribs, some wings, and the whole chicken. Right now I'm letting the grill heat up, so if you guys just hold on a minute, I'll be back shortly. All right, we're back. We're gonna see how the meat looks on the grill. So I got the chicken wings, country style ribs, and the whole chicken, which was 5.73. So I can tell you guys now what I got on there. For the wings, I have lemon pepper, seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder. For the ribs, I have my own seasoning. For the whole chicken, I've got red crushed peppers, I've got lemon pepper, seasoning salt, garlic salt, onion powder, thyme, and basil. So for right now, guys, that's all I got to say. I have everything on the grill, so we're just gonna let it cook and see how it comes out. Be back in a minute. All right, we're gonna check on the meat now and see how it's cooking. Looks like everything's cooking nice and slow. Color's looking good. I went ahead and flipped it over a little bit early just to see how the bottom of the meat is cooking and check on the color. So as you can see, everything's cooking fine. Also, I didn't use any mustard, mayo, or ranch. I just used all seasoning this time just to see if there's a difference in how the texture turns out and how the color turns out. All right, guys, everything seems to be cooking fine. I'll be back with you guys shortly. All right, we're back. We're gonna check on the meat now and see how it's cooking. Let some of the smoke clear away and see what we're looking at. Seems like everything's cooking just right. Might have to reposition that chicken though, because this was like 5 pounds, so I'll have to reposition this so I can make sure I get it cooked all the way done. But so far everything's looking good. What do you guys think? All right, we'll be back in a minute. All right, it's snowing out here, guys. It's not real bad, but it's snowing. You guys might not be able to see it, but it is snowing. So we're gonna check back on this meat and see how it's cooking. I flipped the meat over, you guys, and as I done that, you see that gap right there in the chicken? It almost broke loose on me. I almost dropped the whole chicken. But as you can see, everything's cooking good. Color looks good. I repositioned everything. I wanted to make sure that I got the chicken in the center so it would get most of the heat and it would get cooked fully done. And so far, so good. So right now, I'm gonna stop the video once more and I'll be back shortly with the sauce. All right, guys, we're back. I've already put the sauce on the meat. I just had the lid closed a little bit there and letting it smoke a little bit. So we're gonna open it up, let the smoke clear, and see what we're looking at. Not bad, guys. Also, guys, get in the comment section and let me know which you like to do best, summertime barbecuing or in the wintertime. I prefer to do the summertime, but I really do like cooking in the winter. But just get in the comment section and let me know what you guys like. I like how the color of this meat is looking right now. It's still cooking nice and slow. So you guys let me know what you think. How do you like the whole chicken? How do you like how it's turning out? Alright, guys, this is going to end the video right here. If you like this video, hit that like button, that share button, and the subscribe button. And also turn on your post notifications so you'll know when I do another video. And as always, I'll catch you in the next video. And thanks for watching.